This video is brought to you by the Greater San Diego Association of Realtors and the San Diego Daily Transcript.
Hi everybody, George Chamberlain here, Executive Editor of the Daily Transcript, and it's time for The Scoop, brought to you by the Greater San Diego Association of Realtors, recording this on Monday the 9th, can you believe it, of March, the 9th of March. And filling in for Chris Anderson today is the immediate past president of the association, Leslie Kilpatrick. Good to see you, Leslie.
Good to see you.
Just standing in, ready to help out when you can.
Like a bad penny, I keep coming back.
But no, it's great to have you back with us. All right, we're here to talk a little bit about, at the start here, about some of the numbers that are important as far as sold listings and prices are concerned. So take us through the sold listings.
Well, we had a 7% increase over the previous month and an 11% increase over the previous month in attached. Detached was the first number I gave you. We're a little bit down still over a year ago, so that's continuing to happen. The prices are up slightly in every category, month over month, year over year.
That's certainly, to me, I take this away as a pretty good report, especially with the tight inventory that we have, right?
Tight inventory continues to be the problem, and it is good to have us better than we were last month. We had this great December, and we were all excited, and then January was a little bit slow, and we see us rebounding here in February. I think one of the main issues is at the bottom, and we've talked about inventory for so long, George.
Sure.
And at the core of that is supply. The supply is not meeting the demand, and so people are staying in their homes maybe longer than they otherwise would, in terms of trading up or trading down or trading out.
See, that's exactly it. I think we thought when more people were going to get back to positive equity that those houses, a lot of them would then all of a sudden say, okay, finally we're in a positive position. We can make that move to the next house that we want to. But you haven't quite seen that yet, right?
No, I've thought about this a lot, and I think there's a combination a little bit of the inventory issue, but also the pricing and how strong that has become. I think a lot of people in my generation had the idea that, okay, well, we'll sell the house, we'll take some money out, have a nest egg, and go buy this condominium or single level home. Well, that property is so much more expensive, it's almost a wash. There really isn't that nest egg gain
Good point.
that people were imagining.
Yeah.
And so they're staying in their houses a little longer. But I think eventually this will all work out as we see some of the infill development come along.
One of the other things that statistically I think is of interest is how the time it takes for a sale to go through from listing to the end of the transaction is still a very short period of time.
Yeah, I think we're still at 52 days, which is unchanged from last month. We spent most of last year in the 40-some days.
Right.
I think we'll get back there very quickly because we are having a strong feeling to March so far.
One of the great events every year for the association is the Expo, and I think last year was a great event because really the excitement was in the industry. People were feeling really good, and that's carried over. And it sounds like you've got a really good event planned this year.
This could not be more timely. I mean, this is genius. We are actually having a big discussion as our keynote event of real estate heavyweights, Zillow, Trulia, Move, Realtor.com. And we're going to discuss the future of syndication and online portals. I mean, this is coming to a head nationally. And for San Diego to be the center of such key people speaking about this issue, every realtor needs to come to this event.
Yeah, and the merger of Zillow and Trulia is kind of a big story that I don't think has gotten as much attention as it deserves, because it really does have an impact on your industry. And this will be a really exciting event for just for that discussion alone. But there's a lot more to the Expo than that, right?
Absolutely. It's an all-day event with all sorts of things going on. So everybody should attend. It is on the 24th of April. www.sdarexpo.com. Sign up, come. There's so many things to choose from.
And it's an all-day event with a lot of exciting things going on at the convention center, right?
Correct.
All right. Leslie, always good to see you. Thanks for coming in today.
Thank you.
We'll look forward to seeing you at the Expo and other things as well. Again, all of this information available to help you as a realtor and you as a consumer take advantage of the real strength and power of the Greater San Diego Association of Realtors. I'm George Chamberlain. Have a good day.